Hi guys, welcome to my next video. So for this video, we'll talk about this is the lecture 3 of the Learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript in Pidgin English version. Hi, my name is Jerry, and you can follow me on my social media at JerryWebman. Thank you for joining me today. So for this video, we'll talk about HTML. We don't already started to discuss about HTML tags. So for this video, we'll talk about paragraphs, HTML paragraphs, HTML headers, HTML paragraph, comments, and others. So let's dive into the coding immediately. Okay, guys, welcome back again. So if you see, I dey try display my two screens, which one at the browser and one at the Sublime text wey we dey use learn this programming. So, like I said earlier, for this video, we will talk about paragraphs, we will talk about headers, we will talk about comments, we will talk about comments, we will talk about HTML formatting. So, we will learn about paragraphs first. So remember, I know say I tell you say everything wey you want me to show inside this page, now you go put for the body. So everything wey we dey work now go stay from, it go dey in between the body tags here, in between the body tags here. So make we talk about paragraph. Paragraph na p tag, and the HTML tag no dey case sensitive. Like if you use capital letter P and small letter p, e go still work. But the main thing be say you must use capital letter for both of them. So if I dey use capital letter P start am, I go use capital letter P close the tag. So anything wey I wan write go dey inside here. So make I write this is a paragraph. So if I save the page now, if I reload am here, you don see as the paragraph tag be. This is a paragraph. Watch the changes when I use small letter. Make I use small letter now. So I go save am now. Reload the page. You see say na still the same thing. So the only issue wey you go get na when you use one side small letter, one side big letter, e no go even display as say na paragraph. E fit display for the screen, but the code no go see am like paragraph. E no go do the thing wey paragraph suppose do. You see am say e still display. But if you try to style this thing now, e fit no give you wetin you dey find, because even by default, HTML dey read everything wey you put inside this body tag, even if I no put am inside any tag. But sometimes if you dey use search engines, you no go see this thing because you no know wetin be this. But when you put am inside the better tag wey you want, now you go see if you use Google now say search this page, Google go talk say yes, this thing dey inside so paragraph. But if you just put am like this, HTML go still display am because here na the body tag. Im believe say this body tag cover everything wey dey here. But sometimes you need put something wey go make am know wetin you dey try achieve. So that's all for paragraph. So there's another tag called headers. So the header tag na we dey use put title, like for web page. Let's say if you get blog now, the title of the blog go be this is Lagos or this is Nigeria. So na these headers we dey use put title. So header they get 6 header tags here. You see say the compiler dey even tell me the header. So na 6 header tags dey. Header 1, header 2, header 3, header 4, header 5, and header 6. So make we do am like that. So this thing wey I dey do now, wey I type for all those places same time, I hold Control, come dey click inside. So in case you want do am to make life faster for you. So these are all the header tags. So I go show you, I go save am now. I don press Ctrl S to save and I go reload am. So you see say the header tags dey based on their size. Header, this one na header 1, which na be the biggest. Header 2, header 3, header 4, header 5, and header 6. You see say header 1 dey bigger than header 2, header 2 dey bigger than header 3, and so on and so forth. So that's all for header tags. So let's say you wan do design blog now. Na in this header they dey use am for. Let's say you wan design blog, you say okay, make the blog get the header 2, and you say the title go be "This is my blog post." Blog post title. Then after you don do the blog post, you come for the under, come say, let's say everything I want make everything start with a paragraph. Normally now, everything suppose start with paragraph. So let's say this is what will be in the body of my blog post. So make we copy this thing so the thing go plenty. So e go be like say na real blog post. So if I save this now, make I reload am make you see. So you see am. So you see, if you dey do like blog, you know say the text fit dey here, then image go dey here, then every other thing about the blog post go dey here. So basically, this is one of the tags wey they go use for blog. There are other tags like the article tags, the section tags, all those other tags. But this na one of the basic wey you go use. So we don go on that. So next thing wey we go learn na comment. So you see, like now, I don explain wetin paragraph dey, and I no wan make e dey display for the screen, but I wan still keep am make me I dey see am, but make this compiler no show am for the screen for users, for this screen for users. All wetin I go do na to just turn am to comment. And how to do comment? You go just HTML comment be like this. So now you know say before na 2 paragraph we get here. Na 2 paragraph we get here. See am, you see the show because I never save am. So if I save now, and I come reload, one go disappear. But you see dey the page, I dey see am, but e no show for the browser because I no wan make the user see am, but only me wan dey see am. So let's say, so shortcut to do am na, you go highlight am like this, come press Ctrl and slash, Ctrl plus slash. E go give you comment. So let's say I get this blog post now. Once I wan tell myself say I dey code, I come say I wan tell myself say guy, come back later, come add image. So I go just say come back later, come add image here. If I save am like this, e go show for the screen, but I no wan make the user see am, so I go turn am to comment. Ctrl plus side. If I save am now, if I reload am, you don see am say e no show. But me wey dey code, wey dey write the code for here, don know say if I come back, I need to come put image because my blog post suppose get image, na im go make am fine, no be all this text and everything. Okay, so make we talk about wetin HTML formatting dey. So you know wetin comment dey, so I go dey use comment most of the time. Now, so you know say I tell you say na CSS now we dey use add basic things for. You know say I tell you say na CSS we dey use add beauty to this website. How we go take make am beautiful. But HTML still get some basic ones, but e no really cover everything. But HTML, we fit still use HTML dey try make am e dey fine small, but no be say e go dey okay like that. But I wan show you some of the ones wey you fit use to make this thing dey a bit okay small. So make we go. So I go paste all the tags here. So you go see am, we go dey take am one after the other. I go comment am out. So the first one we go talk na bold. You know wetin bold dey make text be now? E go just make am be, e go make am be, e go make am stand out from others, like e go dey a bit darker pass others. So make I bring this our blog down. So we go use am practice all these things. So I go save am again. I go reload am here. So you go see say the blog na 2 now. So make we use this one after the other. So this na bold tag, and the tag dey start with B. The same thing. This strong and bold dey almost work like the same thing, but this one dey show say the text dey important. Na e go show the, na mostly e dey help for search engine. Na dem go know which one strong pass and which one no strong pass. This one na italics. E go make am dey emphasize on am, like dey bend, just like this EM also. So make we use am make you see as e dey work. So make I put the bold tag in between. Make I change the text of this thing. Make I say we are trying bold tag here. So bold tag na B. If I close am, so make I save now and reload. You don see am. So you see say e just make am dey a bit darker from the original bold tag. So make we talk about strong. Strong, like I said earlier, na almost the same thing, but that one dey help search engines know say you dey, this text dey very important. Yes. So make we put strong tag here. So make we say we are trying strong tag here. Make I save am. Make I reload am. You see say most of them are two of them are the same thing, but this one dey help, the strong tag dey help search engine know say you dey really emphasize on this word. So make we try italic tag and emphasis tag. I try italic first. I don save am now. Make I reload. Make I give space in between the post so you go see am a bit. I go reload again now. See where the italic tags dey. If you see am, e dey coily. E dey coily. Make I zoom in so you go dey see am clearly. See the italic tag here. So make we try the emphasis tag too. EM, na EM tag be that. So make I reload am now. You see say the emphasis and the italics na the same thing. See the emphasis here, see the italics, na the same thing. So which one we dey try again? Okay, so make I make this thing dey a bit readable, so e go dey a bit easier to read for. Make I bring am down. Make I just put all of them on a single line. Yes. So, and that's strong. That's strong. Um, that is bold. Save up now. Reload. I think this is a bit better now. So this is okay. Save am now. I save am now. I'm not reload. So bold, strong, italics, and emphasis. So make I just put dash for their end. So you go make am dey a bit easier to see. So the next one we go try now, we will try mark tag. So basically, we will not make the video too long, but just try all this tag, small tag, open and close and put text inside so you go see wetin e be. You know, subscript and superscript na to give am make e be like say you wan write raised to power and wetin I go use again, raised to power and we will try these ones out. This thing no be tags wey you go dey use all the time, but um you fit still use am, you get. So make we do like subscript. So make I put like you see am, one be like root, one be like raised to power. So make I put am, you see as e go down. So make I put superscript. And make I put paragraph in between. So you go see the difference. So I don save now. Make I reload. Okay, the thing break because paragraph na block elements. Okay, so I leave this one out first. Okay, so you see, um, this one be like root, this one be like raised to power. So let's say I want to write let me say I want like um Jerry raised to power 2. So I want to write Jerry raised to power 2. So you know say all these things what they write dey inside paragraph. So Jerry raised to power 2. If I save am, reload am, you see am. So if I want to write like log 2 for mass now, log 2. So make I write log. If I reload am now, you see am. So I wetin this subscript and superscript dey for. So if you learn all these deleted text na to put line for the text. So let's say I say this emphasized text, I wan still make am make e dey make e be deleted text. So if I put like deal, you go put line for the middle to show you say this text we don delete am. You know as delete dey be now. You see am, you go put line for the middle like this. So basically you can play along with all these other text wey I no cover, like the small text, the mark text, and other text. Thank you for watching this video, and please join me in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The next video go drop soon. Thank you.